Today, we are going to get rid of pee smells around the toilet. Now, you may have little boys that are just learning to use the restroom, and unfortunately, sometimes they just miss the toilet, and then all that pee can go in here. It can seep into the grout right here, and then the toilet just smells, and you just want to like rip everything out, redo the whole bathroom. But hey, we don't have to do that, because today I'm going to show you 2 simple ways to remove that smell, pee smell, from your toilet. There are 2 products that I like to use. First, I like to use a shaving cream. Now, you might be wondering, what the heck is shaving cream going to be used for? Well, if you look on the back here, it also has alcohol in it that will help kill the bacteria, because that is essentially what is causing those bad odors. Then afterwards, we are going to use this Autoben. This stuff is amazing. And if you look on the back right here, I buy it by the gallon, obviously. There are so many uses for it. You can use it for an air freshener, pet odors. So if you had an animal that maybe peed on a carpet, you can use this on it. It is a great sanitizer. It kills 99.9% of germs. It also is a disinfectant and also an antifungal. So what I have done here is, since I do buy it in this huge gallon, I just put it into an empty spray bottle. I know it's not beautiful, but they're just right over it, and I just know that that's not glass cleaner anymore. So I filled it about this much with the water, and the rest of it with the Autobahn, and that's a good, nice concentrate. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is I'm going to take this shaving cream, and I'm just going to spray it all over the ground, and we're just going to kind of wipe it up. All right, so I have all the shaving cream down here. Ooh, it's like all over me. But I think we're gonna let it like sit for just a few minutes, and then I'm just gonna come back and wipe it all clean. So I've cleaned up all of the shaving cream around here, and then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna be adding some of the Autobahn right here, and we're just gonna squirt it, and then we're just gonna leave it there so it can air dry. And so what this is going to do is going to kill any bacteria that is soaked into that grout, because really that is where you're going to be getting a lot of the smells from, is because it's sitting inside of that grout. So what you can do is just spray this, leave it on overnight, let it sit, and let it do its thing. And that should definitely help with that pee smell that you might be smelling when you go to the restroom, even though you've cleaned your whole toilet and it still smells. This will definitely help you out, and you may want to do it a couple times. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to remove stains from your toilet, click on the link right here.